latte selection. It'll start the grinding process. As it starts to grind, it's going to start pulling milk into the system to get it both heated and then air injected. So first it's going to start dispensing the coffee, and then about as this starts to commence, you're going to see the milk, which is already heated and froth, start to be dispensed. This is going to have two different kinds of milk, heated milk and aerated milk. So the first is just the milk that's foamed up, followed by the remainder of the milk to complete your latte.